Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add a payment method on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have, and download the Binance application. Now after that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Binance if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom we have the markets, we have the Square tab, we have the tab where you can go and buy, sell, convert, and deposit. We have the Discover tab and the portfolio. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a payment method on Binance. So first of all, you need to go and you click that you start using Binance, log into your Binance account, and tap on Trade and select P2P. So click here and select P2P. Go to your profile and choose payment method. So basically you have to go to your profile where you are of course a user, go to your settings, and here go to payment method. As you can see underneath, as you can see, we have the payment currency and we have the payment methods. Here, click on it, and here of course, as you can see, you can go and add a new payment method. After that, guys, of course, you can then go and do whatever you want on this application. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative and entertaining, guys. And guys, of course, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.